Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I relax my hair or texlax using the ORS olive oil after 5 months. So I'm going to use the spatula to mix the relaxer into a clean bowl, and I'm going to mix it thoroughly according to the instructions. So guys, I just got my nails done and I have to wear gloves just to protect them. So I'm going to apply petroleum jelly or the Vaseline to the edges of my hair, or the baseline of my hair rather, in order to just protect it from getting burned. So I'm going to apply it all around my hair. I'm going to apply it to my ears, to the back of my neck, just for extra protection. You can't be too careful in things like this, and I'm doing my hair by myself, so I just have to be very careful about it. I'm applying the petroleum jelly to the already relaxed parts of my hair just to prevent it from over processing. And I like to work with my hair in sections, so as you can see, it's divided into tiny sections, so it's easier for me to apply the relaxer. If you find this interesting, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Guys, I started using my hands because I couldn't feel my hair with the spatula, and I preferred using my hands because it was easier for me to apply the relaxers and also check for the sections and ensure that I'm not missing any single section. So I used throughout the remaining parts of the video because it was very easy for me to do that. So guys, I'm done applying the relaxer, and now I'm going to go in and apply the relaxer to my edges, which I missed earlier. So the essence of doing this is because our edges are very soft and they're very, very prone to breakage. So if I had relaxed it then, it would have been burning by now, and I wouldn't want that. So I'm going to go in at intervals and reapply the relaxers to the places I felt or I feel I must have missed during the process, and also smoothing the edges with my hands, smoothing the relaxer in with my hands, not a comb. I don't use combs to smoothen the relaxer. I might just scratch my scalp and then it will lead to a burning sensation, which I do not want. So guys, I have washed off my hair and I used the Venus anti-dandruff shampoo and I conditioned my hair with the Venus anti-dandruff conditioner. This is the bomb, guys. You can get it and it's very cheap. So I'm going to be applying a leave-in conditioner, a leave-in strengthener. It strengthens my hair, makes it break free. The Mega Growth leave-in strengthener. So I'm going to apply it to all parts of my hair, starting from the roots down to the ends of my hair, and I'm going to massage it in just to ensure that I do not miss out on any parts of my hair. And guys, my hair actually came out well. It's very, very, very smooth and actually did well. So after applying the leave-in strengthener, I'm going to use a white toothed comb or white tooth comb to comb my hair, comb it from the root, from the ends as usual up to the roots. Yes, and I'm going to be doing that very carefully just to ensure that I get rid of all the knots in my hair. So after doing that, I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it. So guys, after drying my hair with the hair dryer, this is the finished looks, or the finished look rather. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also tell me what you think in the comment section, and also any questions you might have. So that's it guys for this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.